Hello, good afternoon. This is Jane Zeta, and I will be demonstrating my code on question 5 for chapter 2 on variables, expressions, and statements. So I have my idle on the left side of the screen and my output shell on the right. So for the homework, it consists of a given formula, which is on this guy right here, the A equals B close parentheses 1 plus R divided by N and the square root of N times T. So for that, I will have to concisely convert that formula into Python language, and then there are also other given variables such as P equals 10,000, equals, it said 8% on the homework, but I will put it as a decimal, which is 0.08, and then N was defined as 12. And so for T, it will be where a user can insert an answer for the number of years, which is used with the input command, and then while float merely is for the decimal output and the exponential part of the value. So I would put T equals float, parentheses input. This is where I will ask a question for the user, which is, well, not really a question, but a statement enter. I think mine would be enter the number of years right here. And then for the print statement, this will be used for the final compounded amount after the T has been defined and used with the formula inside the print statement. So I will also include the formula inside this print statement. So I will put the final amount compounded is, this will be where my formula will be, so 1 plus R divided by N, and then so for the square root, we will need the two asterisks, and just to make sure that I am multiplying these two first, we'll do that, and so that looks good. And try and run the program, and you should be able to see the output on this side. Alright. So with their number of years, when you go test it out, let's say 1. And so the answer will be 1001 point so and so. And that is it. Thank you for watching.